In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font in Lumin PDF. Now first, if you have added the text on yourself, for example using this type tool up top, you can simply click on your text, and now from here top left you can go ahead and change the font. So by default it was Enter. I could go ahead and change it to something else like Roboto, and if I click on it, as you can see, it's going to change my font just like this. Okay, now that's the first way to do it. However, if you've uploaded a document where you actually have some text on already and you want to change the font of that, you can simply go to Edit PDF over here on the left, and you want to click inside your block of text where you want to change the font, and then when you click on it so it's selected, you want to go to Text Format over here on the right and change the font from here. So if I want to make it, for example, Roboto again, I can just click, and as you can see, it's going to change my font. I can click on Done top right, and this is going to basically save the changes. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.